This is seasoned to perfection. Hey family, it's CookedByJess here today, and today we're going to be making some fried chicken wings. And before we get started, I want you to go like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. The first thing you're going to do is to wash your chicken properly. I already washed mine with some white vinegar and salt. So now we're going to pat our chicken dry with some paper towel. So now that we're done patting our chicken, we're going to divide it into the drums and the flats, right? So we're going to start with this wing. Of course, it's the scapegoat. You're gonna find the joint and slice right through to separate the flat from the drum. Do the same for the tip of the wing and boom, you're all done. Time to season our chicken properly. First of all, going with some Old Bay. You put as much as you want. Garlic powder. Next, we're gonna go in with some smoked paprika, some cayenne pepper. Please feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. MSG. So some hot sauce. We're going to give everything a good mix until it's fully combined. I'm mixing like this. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my gosh, this chicken is gonna bang. Next, we're gonna go with some buttermilk. You can substitute this for a mix of water and flour, right? That should work fine. Feel free to add as much buttermilk as you want, but trust me, you do not need that much. You're gonna give this a good mix until your arms are about to fall off. Yes, you heard that right. So now that we're done giving everybody a good mix, we're gonna go with a little bit of flour. Should I use flour or cornstarch? I should use cornstarch. 2 tablespoons. You don't need too much. Give it a good mix. And if your chicken doesn't look like this, you need to go back and re-season. I'm gonna wrap it with some cling foil and marinate it in the fridge for at least an hour. If you do not have time, you might as well just skip this step like me. Okay, so it's done marinating and it's time to coat our chicken. Now for this mix, we're gonna go in with some flour. I'll be going in with about a cup. This is about a cup. Next, we're gonna go in with some cornstarch. Make some baking powder. Spoon. Yeah. And then next, we're gonna season it with the same seasonings we used for our chicken marinade. Old Bay, not too much. Some onion powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, some MSG. Everything a good mix. What we're gonna do is to put our dry mix into the Ziploc here. I have about 14 pieces of chicken. I'm gonna divide it into 2 sections. I'm gonna start with 7 because we do not want to overcrowd our chicken when we're frying. Unfortunately, my camera went off, so I didn't get the first section. So I'm going to repeat that section again. First thing I'm gonna do is to pour your chicken in here. Make sure you do not overcrowd it so that every piece is evenly coated. Give everything a good shake and squeeze it a little bit so that everything gets coated. Just like that. Shake off the excess flour and let it rest on a wire rack for about 3 minutes. Next, you're gonna fry this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes and our chicken is ready. And if yours doesn't look like this, I'm sorry. Next, you're gonna let it rest on a wire rack for a few minutes. Our chicken is ready and it's time to play. So happy for this. You will see what they look like. They look so good. That looks like a KFC bowl. It's taste time. Guys, this is seasoned to perfection. I'll give this a 10. A 10.5 actually. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes like this. Bye family. Mwah.